Yo, what's poppin'? How you guys doing today? So today I'm gonna show you how you can turn off and on the Govee Glide Hexa Pro LED light panels using your Stream Deck. So when I first tried to set my Hexa Pro LED light panels to my Stream Deck, it was not working at all. As you can see here, if I clicked on Glide Hexa Pro, and I would press the button on my Stream Deck and it would not turn on and off. And then I went to the app and I saw that for my Hexa Pro LED light, I would always see the red Wi-Fi symbol with the exclamation mark every single time. But I know that the light panels are connected to my Wi-Fi. So then I tried to do some research and to see if other people had the same issue with me, and they did. And one person said they used a Govee smart plug and it fixed the problem. I got one and I can definitely tell you that yes, it does solve this problem. In order to fix this problem, all you gotta do is go buy a Govee smart plug. So as you can see here, that's what this looks like. So there's actually 3 different plugs they have. They have this one, which is a single one, but it's round. And there's another one, the singular one, but it's a rectangle. And then there's double plug, but it's also regular. So you can buy any of these 3 and it will work. This requires you to spend some money and buy this. So I have these links in the description below if you want to check them out or buy them. You want to make sure that you download the Stream Deck app. The link will be in the description below. Once you downloaded it, you want to click on this, and then you want to click on plugins, and then you want to search Govee. It's this one right here. It's the only one that pops up. Then you want to click on get, and it makes you sign in. So you sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, make an account. Once you're logged in, right, it should look like this. Now you want to click on open in Stream Deck. Click allow. Now click on open Stream Deck, and you should get a pop-up that says the Govee controller plugin has been installed. You scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see it says Govee controller. So if you click and drag the on and off to one button, you can see here it says that you gotta connect your account. You want to make sure that you download the Govee app. Link will also be in the description. So now I am in the Govee app. So now you want to go to your account, which should be this person icon. You want to tap on that. Then what you want to click on is the gear icon on the top right hand corner. Then you want to click on apply for API key. And then what you want to do is just fill this out. So just do your name. You could say for the reason of application, you could say, I want to be able to turn on and off my Govee lights using my Stream Deck. Or like something. Just put something. And you want to click on the box saying that you read and agree to the Govee Developer API Terms of Service. Click on Submit. Now you want to log into your email and click on the email that Govee sent to you. So now you want to copy and paste your API key, which is this one right here. Sadly, you cannot copy it like this and then paste it like this. It does not work. You gotta manually type it in. That's kind of stupid. No offense. You can't copy and paste it. But yeah, you just wanna manually type in your API key. You wanna manually type it here. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you wanna, when you are typing in your API key, make sure you type in the dashes too. And then after you're done typing in the API key, you want to click on connect. And now you can set which device you want to control using the Stream Deck. So once you have the light panels connected, plugged into the small plug, and then the small plug plugged into the wall outlet, and then you connecting the light panels to the Govee app, and then downloading the Govee controller plugin for the Stream Deck, and then connecting your account to the Stream Deck. Now all you want to do is under device, click on the smart plug. So for me, I named it smart plug 1. Make sure you click on the one that's the smart plug. Do not click on the Glide Hexa Pro. You don't want to click on that. And now, if you press the button, it should work. It most definitely works. I really hope this video helps, because I know I was struggling, why is it not working? I was a little frustrated, I'm not gonna lie. But I hope this helps. Please give it a like, comment, any questions or anything you want to see. I hope you have a good morning, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time it is for you. I hope you have a good day. Had a good day. Your day's going good so far. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.